Good morning, good morning. Today is our last full day in Ayutthaya. It is 8:30 a.m. right now, and the sun, it looks cloudy enough for us not to die in there. It's still 100, but we'll take the shade. So the temple that we're going is called Mahathat Temple, or Wat Mahathat. Wat in Thai means temple. So it is 50 for a foreigner and 10 baht for a Thai. It's cheap. There was also a package if you go around this area, 6 temples. Foreigners, you pay 220, but for Thai people, it's still 10 each. So these are the remaining of Buddha statues that are broken. Most of them have bodies with no heads. Wat Mahathat is located in front of the Grand Palace to the east, next to Patan Ridge. The temple is believed to be one of Ayutthaya's oldest temples, possibly built by King Rama I from 1370 to 1388. Wat Mahathat, Thailand, was a royal temple of Ayutthaya Kingdom. It is one of the oldest, most significant temples in the history of Ayutthaya, as it housed the Buddha's holy relic. Many important royal ceremonies of Ayutthaya era had been hosted here. And there is Buddha's head in the roots. And we just finished checking out Wat Mahathat, which is, pretty huge, but we just walked through everything, because some of the things that you couldn't go up and climb on there. So next one we are going is Wat Ratchaburana, or Ratchaburana Temple. This big dome, and you have to pay another 50 for foreigner and 10 baht Thai for a Thai person. Wat Ratchaburana was founded in 1424 by King Mahathat II of the Ayutthaya Kingdom, and built on the cremation site of his 2 elder brothers. The 2 brothers had fought to their deaths in a duel for the royal succession to their father in Thailand. This is the biggest guy we've seen in Ayutthaya so far. So if you have seen Thai temples, even the present ones, they have a similar structure. So these on the side are Buddha statue, and that's pagoda from one area to the other around the temple, even with temples these days too. And that main pagoda is where religious ceremonies take place. So many headless Buddhas. It makes me think that they did it on purpose to, maintain the heads, or someone stole it, or I don't know, it fell off. I have a question. These headless Buddhas, do you think the heads were taken, or they fell off, or like they purposely cut it off to maintain it, to keep them safe? What do you think?
I think that they probably fell off, because I think it'd be pretty disrespectful to Buddha to cut his head off.
Wow, real Buddhist. I kind of think that, I don't know, it looks like it got chopped off.
Yeah, some of
Purposely.
them do, like that one right there, where it's just straight across the chest.
Yeah.
Cleanly back then.
Right.
So I think it was the way that they were built. They're built in pieces. Like, look at this one here. Like, see, well, actually, that's probably not the original, like, torso. but I think that they're built in different like
Parts.
yeah, it wasn't just like one stone and they carved the entire Buddha out of it. I think that they did it in like sections. So that's maybe why that one is just like straight across, like they put the shoulders and the head on as like a separate stone piece.
Yeah, I guess that makes sense.
But I could be completely wrong.
So we assume that it is the way they were constructed that no one chopped Buddha's head off. So this is a coordination hall. So this is where all the ceremonies took place, and that statue right there was the Buddha, but now he like fell off in pieces. I will show you the back instead. So that's, I guess, his face and then his body. It was probably the big one. These walls are pretty high back in the day. Back in the day, this province is where the war happened, and we couldn't save the capital. We couldn't save Thailand, and I guess we were controlled by the other country. I think it was British. So CJ, I and Mom are going to do a fortune teller.
With 30 sticks in it?
Yeah. Well, you check
until one comes out.
And that will be your fortune.
Yeah. There's a number on it. You go to the board and find your fortune. And then you find someone that can read Thai, and then you'll know your fortune.
That is correct. Well, that is no foreigner here, so everyone can read Thai except this one.
My future is as bright as the moon when it's a full moon, not a new moon. And
I think
God, and I will be bitten by bugs, which is happening right now, so that's accurate.
if you have patience.
If I have patience, I will be successful. Something like that. I don't know why I'm looking at this paper as if I'm actually reading off of it.
He can read it. It is Thai, and he can read it. It's number 16.
I'm fluent now.
Well, I threw mine and Mom's out because they were not as good as CJ's. It was like Mom was gonna find her soulmate in September, and it says that I have no deliberateness in my life. Everything I do was just vague, which is not true at all. So I was like, tore it, and then I threw it out.
We are at Wat Logayasutha.
Big Buddha, another reclining Buddha. So this is the biggest reclining Buddha in Ayutthaya. So there's like temple at every block we turn the car to. We have visited a good amount of temple, but I don't think we're gonna go to every single temple in Ayutthaya because we would need a whole year to do that. We stopped at reclining Buddha. This is not the biggest one in Thailand. The biggest one in Thailand we've been already, which is Wat Po in Bangkok. This one is the biggest one in Ayutthaya.
We are at Gong Kong Market.
This place is a little bit fancier than the other place that had nothing. They have a lot more stuff here. Handmade.
ขนมลืมคืนจ้าแหวกก่อนจ้าชอบพวกก็มีนะจ้า
Oh my god, look at how they dress. That's an ancient outfit. It's not
ได้นะ
present
ลูก
outfit.
ไม่หวานเยอะนะคะ
Oh, you want it?
Pancake.
I am hungry.
I'm good right this second, but oh, they got foie corn.
Oh yeah.
อันเนี้ยจะ
Oh, I like that
โบ
too.
ราณอันนี้อร่อย
On the way back.
And that's from mine. I'm getting the crispy cake over here. So CJ's got pad thai. What? I told you not to get pad thai.
I thought I was getting chicken pad thai. I don't think I got anything. I don't know.
And four of us are getting pork satay. Oh, it's hot. Pork satay. Her expression is always extra.
Yeah.
We got 13 of them for 100 baht. CJ's got no meat pad thai. He's vegan today. Now.
ให้ตังค์ก่อนไปซื้อใช่ไหม
รีบเลยอันนี้ใส่ถุงไว้แล้วเปล่า
ได้เลยค่ะด้านไหนก็ได้ค่ะ
จับไปไหนก่อน
ขอบคุณครับ
จ้าขอบคุณค่ะขอบคุณเช่นกันนะคะ
As you can see, we are a big fan of this
จ้า
coconut.
สวัสดีปีใหม่ด้วยนะคะค่ะขอให้ลูกค้าโชคดีนะคะขอบคุณค่ะจ้าอยู่ขายนานๆนะคะเดี๋ยวไว้หนูมาใหม่สวัสดีค่ะสวัสดี
ขอบ
ค่ะ
คุณมากครับ
That little banana pancake. And that's CJ golden egg yolk.
โอ้ยตรง
Okay. One set for 20 baht. Comes with 13 of those. That's so many. If Ayutthaya is one of the provinces in Thailand that you want to visit, I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. You must visit those temples. I'm gonna leave location and the name of the temples in the description box. If you have any question, comment below and I will try my best to help you throughout your Thailand journey. For now, we are gonna go enjoy more delicious food in Thailand. Don't forget to subscribe. If you like it, don't forget to like, of course. And I will see you next Thailand trip video. For now, bye bye.